Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to dive into 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are all connected to one specific niche. The first keyword is best suitable for either the title or the subtitle, and the remaining 3 can be used for the 7 keyword slots as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. We upload daily videos to do with Amazon KDP, helping you with the research phase and also uncovering some profitable keywords and diving into some strategies that I personally adopt with my KDP business as well and what's working for me. So I also would like to remind you of the 30-day free trial for Canva Pro as well as Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, fonts, graphics as well, with full commercial license for the first 30 days. Now let's get started with our first keyword for the day, which I said was best suitable for the title or the subtitle, and it has beautiful metrics. As you can see, our keyword for the first keyword is 1 question a day for self-care, a 3-year journal, a beautiful long tail keyword that has what we need, that has the information and the data that we need to get started making this beautiful book. So it's a journal, and it revolves around 1 question a day. So it can have 1 question per page, or 3 questions, or 4 questions per page, and it's revolving around the theme of self-care, and the duration is 3 years. So we've got the total results for this is 50, which is below 5,000, and that's also one of the big elements as well. We've got the average bestseller rank, which is under 400,000, and it's currently sitting at an average of 230,006. The average reviews are 1,430, and the average price is $13.76. We also have a keyword niche score given by Amazon's Cat Pro, which beautifully complements the data that we have right over here by Titans, and they've given us a number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 19 given by Self-Publishing Titans because it contradicts, it goes against the data that we have right here, which will fit the profitability metrics. Really good price with an average that will result in good royalty, a good average number of reviews, which indicate the customer's eagerness and willingness to engage and provide their feedback, a good bestseller rank, which is below 400,000, good number of total results under 5,000, also preferably under 1,000 as well. So another indicator, just so we can further confirm the profitability of our keyword, is we need to find a minimum of 2 to 3 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000, and these books should not be sponsored. There are no ads running for these books. Starting with the first one, it's not sponsored, and it is utilizing the first part of the keyword 1 question a day for self-care, and it's sitting at 24,880. And notice also the 3 categories that it is ranking for beautifully at number 47 for guided journals and the rest as well. This could be a great idea for you to take note, so you know which of the categories to choose manually when you are uploading your book. Next off, we got another book, 29,489 is the bestseller. Then again, 1 question a day, and it's a 5-year journal rather than a 3-year. Also, we've got 5,373 for another book as well that's selling consistently. This one's beautiful, 12,188 for 1 question a day for you and me, which is a 3-year journal. And they seem to have mentioned the exact keyword for the day, 1 question a day for self-care, 3-year journal, in the 7 keyword slots, and that's also one of the reasons behind why it is ranking for this beautiful keyword. We've got another one at 29,000. Notice the covers as well. The covers are very artistic. They use a wavy fancy font, the majority of them, so, and these ones are for kids, so as you can tell, they've beautifully illustrated it in a very creative and simplistic way as well. And this one's ranking 29,980, 3,237 as well for that one. We've got also others as well. This one's sitting at 50,000, and this one's specifically about self-discovery journal, so it's similar to self-care in a way, and it's 365 questions, 1 page per day. So We have found more than 8 or 9 books with a bestseller rank below 100,000, which fits the metric and fits the guidelines that we're following in our strategy. Let's dive into the second keyword, which is more preferably for the 7 keyword slots for the niche 1 question a day. So if you create 1 question a day journals, 1 question a day notebooks, this could be a great keyword to utilize for the 7 keyword slots. And our keyword is 1 question a day for you and me. Now the total results for this is 15,943, and yes, I do hear you, it is above what we usually go for, but there is potential in this keyword, and you could also use it, as I said, as one of the 7 keywords for the 7 keyword slots. We've got the average bestseller rank to be in the higher ranges of 762,251. Average reviews are 1,369, and average price is $12.58. And we have a keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 9, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. And also the first book was 12,188 for the first results as well. So this is a great keyword, as I said, for the 7 keyword slots. Next up, we've got 3,237. So that's 3 books on the first page that are selling well. 29,489 as book number 4. Book number 5 is 944 as well as the bestseller rank. 29,000 for this one. 46,000. So 211,000. All these books on the first page for this keyword are selling quite well. So utilize it for the 7 keyword slots, and also I'll be sharing with you other keywords as well that will fit the 7 keyword slots, so you don't need to worry about it. So the third keyword is 1 question a day journal for wedding. Then again, within the same niche of 1 question a day, and this one has a niche score of 50 and a total results of 270, which is below 5,000 and below 1,000. The average bestseller rank, however, is in the higher ranges, which is what is guiding me to use this keyword for the 7 keyword slots instead of the subtitle or instead of the title, and it is averaging 768,977. Now I usually prefer the bestseller rank for the keyword to be used for the title and subtitle to be within the 400,000s. This one's on the higher end, yet it does have potential to be a profitable keyword, and that is why the best placement for this keyword is in the 7 slots. The reviews are at an average are 871, and the price is $13.57. Scrolling down, we've got a couple of books selling quite well under this keyword, with 3,237 as the bestseller, 18,000 our second book, our third book is 29,000. Next up, we've got 29,000 again for another book, 12,000 as well. We have also 77,000. Next, we've got a couple of other books that I noticed that were selling consistently as well, 19,000 for this one. So as you can see, great keyword to use and to utilize for the 7 slots. Let's dive into our final keyword for the day. Our fourth and final, it is 1 question a day for newlyweds. 1 question a day for newlyweds has greater potential to be used for either the subtitle, for the title, or for the 7 keyword slots if you feel comfortable in doing so. The profitability metrics are all right there in front of you, except for one small element, which is slightly above what we usually go for when it comes to the average bestseller rank, and that is usually we go for anything, you know, in within that 400,000s and below. This one's sitting at 594,095, but let me just tell you here, other metrics indicate profitability in terms of a really strong and solid keyword niche score 57 by self-publishing titans, as well as a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro, which has given us a number 8 for the keyword strength. Now number 9 is the highest, and we're pretty happy with number 8 here, and it beautifully complements the data that we have right over here. The total results under 1,000 sitting at 195. The average reviews are at $1,692. Average price is $14.19. So the choice is yours. Would you like to use this for the title, or would you much prefer to use it for the 7 keyword slots? I would prefer to use it for the 7 keyword slots because of the slightly higher bestseller rank as well. So this one here, when it comes to the first page results, we've got our first book with a bestseller rank of 80,000. Next up, we've got 12,000, our second book. Our third book is sitting at 3,237. Fifth book is at 66,000 as well. Book number 6 is at 24,000. Yet again, it's not sponsored. Book number 7 is at 29,000. Book number 8 is at 19,000 as well. Book number 9, 27,000. Book number 10 is at 8,000. So all the ones that I'm saying out loud are all books within the bestseller rank being under 100k. Book number 11 is at 4,100. Book number 12 is at 3,237. So we've got 12 books that are not sponsored just on the first page with a bestseller rank under 100,000. I hope that this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.